Okay, on the back here is a reference of features that are available while I'm listening to a message. Pretty self-explanatory, but there's also a couple of unique features in here that are pretty cool. While I'm listening to a message, I can press 1 to play it again. I can also press 1 to skip to the previous message. So I've got the ability to navigate forward and backward through my messages. I can press 2 to save that message, 3 to delete it, 4 to reply if that message was sent from someone else within Autobody World or within my office. This is a unique feature. While I'm listening to that message, the caller ID is actually captured with that message. I can press 5 during that message, and the system will actually transfer me to the caller's phone number based on the caller ID. So that's a real handy feature. Deliver fax isn't going to apply to you because we're not going to store faxes in your regular voicemail box. We've got those separately in eFax, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Forward allows me to take a message and forward it to another person in my office. While listening to a message, I can press 7 to rewind, 8 to pause, or 9 to fast forward. And another feature I really like is I can press 9 to play that message back at double time. So if someone's being really, slow talking, you can press 9. You'd probably like to press 9 on me right now. Star, as I mentioned earlier, is exit, and 0 actually, while I'm listening to a message, if I press 00, it allows me to review the folder information, the envelope information about that message, which is the phone number that it came from and the date and time that it was received. So if you use that 66 function we talked about previously and turn that information off at the beginning of every message, you can press 00 on a message-by-message basis to listen to that information. You can also skip a message by pressing pound. It keeps it as new and it keeps your light on, so that's a handy feature. And another nice one is you can press pound and the system will scan through all the messages in your mailbox and play the first 5 seconds of each message. So that's about it on the actual telephone features. In addition, the voicemail features accessible from your telephone. In addition to that, you can also have, and you may have, your voicemail messages set to come to your email. If that's the case, you'll get an email with an attachment on it. When you open that attachment, it's a WAV file, a sound file, and that will play through the speakers on your computer, and you can actually listen to your voicemail messages that way. And that's handy because then you can permanently archive messages and have sort of a universal inbox where you've got one place to pick up your emails and your voicemails. And in addition, Autobody World also has eFax, which you probably are all familiar with, so you'll be getting your faxes in your inbox as well. Once again, it's a universal inbox, or unified messaging it's also called. It's one place for me to pick up my voicemail messages, my faxes, my emails, of course, and all from one interface in my email client program. So that's it. Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, you can contact Telephone Warehouse or anyone internally at Autobody World. Also on these documents, it shows you that if you visit our website, www.telephonewarehouse.com, there is additional information and documentation available there. Thank you.